How to disable the sounds played by that speaker on the Nikon P1000. So if I halfway press the shutter, notice it's making a sound. If I capture a photo, it's making a sound. If I start video recording, it's also making a sound. And if I stop it, it's beeping. There's the speaker, by the way. So to disable those sounds, come here to the menu, press the menu button, and go to the left. Now go down to the wrench icon, enter there with the OK button in the center. Now, judging by that vertical line, we have to be somewhere in the center there, so that vertical line is there. And here we have sound settings. Enter into sound settings, and button sound is on. Enter there and set it to off. Accept it with OK. Shutter sound is also on. Enter there, set it to off. OK, and press the menu button to exit. Okay, and now if I make a photo, let's first focus it. It's focusing, but it's not making any sound. I captured the photo and only the shutter sound is being heard, which is inside the camera. It's not played through a speaker. And video playback, there is no sound. When I stop it, also there's no sound. So that's how to stop the sound playback through that speaker.